pagmamalas.
Dahil kami narito buong dangal na aawit. Ang ating Starlight Angels, lumilipad ng mga
to representing where positive pillars are sagot. My hobbies in my life is shopping and lifting. It combined together, I am a shoplifting.
Miss Nika.
Miss Nika. Website. 23. 24. And 25. Miss Nika. And now she's gone. Still holding.
what's really on the inside. All your insecurities, all the dirty laundry. Now
So my question is, trans women are women. Trans women are women. Why or why not?
For the very interesting questions. I identify myself also as a woman. All parts of genders, I also a woman. Regardless of their gender identity. Lahat tayo ay may kakayanan kung ano man ang ating pagkakakilanlan sa ating mga sarili. Dahil bilang parts of LGBTQ plus community was experience discriminations, a lot of things about my gender of identity. But always remember that regardless of gender of identity, don't be afraid to show who you are. We're born as a trans woman. And thank you.
Okay, our second runner-up. It's you, Miss. Congratulations, Miss Nika. To be awarded by Mr. Runner-up, Miss Nika.